We might come or appear as loving, as consoling, as bubbly as we are, but some may find us fearful. A loving person is not an object of fear. Kapag nagmamahal, hindi katakot-takot. Kapag nagmamahal, nagpapahinahon ng tao. We will be encountering many people, many faces of trouble in the lives of people every day. Hindi po nila kinakailangan na magdadagdag ng chaos o ng takot sa kanila. They need a loving person who can expel all fear and who can say like Jesus, "Do not be afraid, it is I. Take courage."